recognized globally as one of the most powerful and effective ways to build, improve, and sustain organizations. But it's much more than a tool set, it's a mindset or a philosophy. Think of it as a journey rather than a destination. By utilizing Arrow Global's most valuable asset, its people, Lean seeks to align customer value while continuously eliminating waste. There are so many benefits of Lean. It will help us streamline and simplify our existing processes, removing all the unnecessary complexity we have. It will result in greater employee involvement, collaboration and empowerment. And it will allow Arrow Global to become more innovative and responsive to its clients and customers, in the end resulting in a long-term sustainable competitive advantage for Arrow. Well, waste is everywhere, and look out for the acronyms of Tim Woods and downtime to help you identify them. But let me give you some examples. Waiting. Are you waiting on emails for outcomes and decisions? How many meetings do you go to? Do you need to go to all of them? Do they all start and end on time? Over-processing. There are multiple requests for the same information in different formats. Defects. Is communication always clear and concise? Do we always know why we're doing something or exactly what is needed? Overproduction. Do you ever find yourself spending that extra half an hour on a PowerPoint presentation just to make it look prettier? But ask yourself, does it add any additional value? And transport. The number of emails that are flying around the organisation. Do we need to send so many emails? Well, Lean is really all about common sense. Ask yourself what you're doing, why you're doing, and do you need to do it? And if you do, can you do it better? Always clarify the ask. It's better to understand what you need to do and why before you start a task. Think in small steps. It's better to deliver something small now than something huge 2 years down the line. Building quality into everything you do. Don't wait for compliance to spot those errors. Don't gold plate things. Think about your audience and then ask yourself, is 80% good enough? And finally, go see and ask questions. Don't purely rely on others. Well, we're making improvements every day, often without noticing. But some specific examples. In the Netherlands, they've created dashboards to help optimize their call handling. They've created payment links which they've attached to emails and texts and even WhatsApp messages to make it easier for their customers to make their payments. In Portugal, they've created web crawlers to automatically upload and download information from external websites. They've also developed tools to recognize text and to be able to extract data from PDF files or automatically classify documentation. And other examples every day around us are changes to letters to simplify the process or reduce the number of errors. And even things like printing double-sided. Sounds obvious, but we weren't doing that a while ago. Well, Lean is an enterprise-wide business improvement initiative, and continuous improvement is going to form part of the One Arrow culture. So we started at the top with our Lean leadership training back in March, and we'll continue to cascade that throughout the organisation. We've also set up Lean teams in the Netherlands, Portugal, UK and Ireland, so look out for your local Lean teams. So we're rolling Lean out through a three-pronged approach, starting with the Continuous Improvement Initiative, which will be done by your local Lean team, through Kaizen events or workshops, which will look at specific processes or teams to help improve effectiveness. And then our normal, larger process improvements, which will continue to be run by the local change teams. Well, we want everyone to be involved. Be curious, ask why, challenge the status quo. Think about how we're going to do it and not why it can't be done. We want all your ideas, no matter how big or small. Once you've got an idea, contact your local Lean team. We're not perfect, there's always room for improvement. So thank you for listening. I'm really looking forward to working with you on this initiative as we continue to roll it out throughout the Arrow Global Group. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.